a general release for the neck. This practice offers a gentle way to meet tension in the neck. The basic principles of the position can be applied to tender points all around the neck. So take a moment to tune into your neck and its current sensations and tone. Now let's begin by gently feeling with our fingers for any areas of tension or tightness or tenderness. When you find a point that stands out, rest your fingers lightly on that spot to monitor it for when it softens. Then begin to fold your neck and head over the point. Explore which angles bring softening to the area beneath your fingers. Then we will rest in this position of softening. You may need to play a little, try a small rotation or a shift in the tilt or angle. The back of the head usually requires an extending of the chin towards the ceiling. For the sides of the neck, a rotation and side bending towards the side with the tension. And for the front of the neck, bend your head forward and add a slight side bend and rotation. And so resting in the comfort of the position, going to hold for up to a minute, allowing the tissues to settle and release. Breathing easily and continuing to sink into the comfort. Feeling that the head is still supported. And when you're ready, slowly returning to a neutral position. And just sensing into the area now and noticing any changes. And let's release another point. So exploring the neck with your fingers until you have found some tension or tenderness. And keeping the fingers on the point to monitor. Slowly folding over the point to soften it. And exploring any angles and rotation necessary. When you have found the position that softens the point, we'll stay here for about a minute. Breathing gently and inviting softening to the point and the entire neck. Still feeling the head comfortable and supported. And when you're ready, gently coming out of the position. Taking a moment again to pause and tune in. How is the neck feeling now? Is there a sense of more space or warmth or ease through the tissue? So this practice can be repeated on any further tender points on the neck. You can repeat daily or as needed when a particular spot calls for attention. And remember that subtle shifts can continue for a few days, so drink plenty of water and be mindful of integration. Thank you.